I just wanted to quickly go over how we can upgrade our VPS plan, which I mentioned much earlier in the video. In order to do so, you can do it in two places. The first one is on the VPS page, which you can reach in the navigation panel. Click VPS, and next to your VPS, you can click the three dots next to the Manage button and click Upgrade. The next spot that you can go to is under Manage, where you can see your CPU usage, the memory usage, disk usage, and the bandwidth usage. If you see any of these nearing 100% consistently, you're going to probably want to upgrade your plan, and you can do so on this page by clicking the three dots and then clicking Upgrade. This will take you to your upgrade page. You will be able to choose which plan you want to upgrade to. So that's it. We're all finished. So that's it. You should be ready to rock with that new VPS. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and check out my next video where I show you how to set up a basic web app